Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how do you stay focused when you are in a situation with lots of pressure. So if you like my videos, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell icon because it tells you whenever there's a new video available. Now, whenever you are in a situation where you know that you need to stay focused, but you are in a situation filled with pressure, then what do you do? How do you do it? I think the best thing is to breathe. Remember breathing, because when I do martial arts, the first thing that they tell us is that the adrenaline rushes up in a conflict situation, and it's a situation with pressure, right? When you're in a conflict with someone. So when we're practicing martial arts, my mentor would always tell me that you have to remember to breathe. You have to remember to breathe, because even when I was sparring, I would see that I would notice. So when he started telling me, then I started noticing myself. Then whenever I was sparring with my gloves and throwing punches and getting hit by punches, I started noticing that I have stopped breathing. And so it's a conscious training that we have to give ourselves to remember to breathe. So I think breathing definitely helps. It calms the heart rate, and it puts oxygen in your blood, and it gives back a little bit of your control to you and your brain. And the second thing I think is that if you meditate, then it trains you to have bigger control on your emotions and on your mindset and your state of mind. Those are different things. It trains you how to have control over that. So meditate at least 10-15 minutes every day. I meditate 15 minutes every day. So do that, because it has helped me a lot. And I think when you're in a situation under pressure, then you want to take a pause and realize that you have enough time to handle it. Time rushes in speed because we get stressed and our brain stops working. So moments fly by faster. But if you take a pause and you evaluate the situation, then you realize that there is things that you can do that will improve it and get you out of that hole. So for example, in an interview, I have been in stressful situations where I didn't know the answer, and I was like, oh, how do I get out of it? I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. Now, if you pause, so your mind starts racing, and because your mind starts racing, it doesn't have the resources to put on solving that problem. So you want to free up the resources from your racing mind so it can allocate those busy resources onto solving the problem. So that's how you take a pause, which slows your mind, and now you have more resources available for solving the problem. So I think taking a pause, reflecting on what is the problem, defining the problem statement carefully, and breathing and meditation. I think these things are very, very helpful when you are in a stressful situation. Now, not every situation can be handled with these recommendations, because let's say you're fighting a war and the enemy is going to kill you. I don't think how helpful this would be, but at least in civilian situations where we are stressing ourselves every day for no apparent reason, I think this might be helpful in getting a better control on your life. So it has helped me, so I hope it helps you as well. If you like what you see, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell icon so it tells you whenever there's a new video available. Until next time, peace off.